price includes 62 feet boat slip D69 outback in the Marina at Factory Bay. This high-floor unit allows you to watch the sun rise up from the Jolley Bridge, and then at night you can watch it set into the Gulf of Mexico. The waterfront lanai is a massive 46 feet x 11 feet and gives you a front row seat to all the activity on the Marco River. Some of the highlights of the unit are polished limestone floors, a spa-like master bath featuring a steam shower and a towel warmer, custom kitchen cabinets with rare cut-eye granite, faux paint, fine window treatments, custom wood entertainment center, oriental rugs, high-quality furnishings, Thomasville, etc., Alabaster lighting, Bose system, crown molding, custom master bedroom California closet system and more. Amenities include 2 pools, gym, hot tub, sauna, storage locker, outdoor grill area, 2 manicured clay tennis courts and one of the best bunch of neighbors you could ever live amongst. And when the annual holiday boat parade takes place, Pier 81 is ground zero for the best parties as the boats go right past you. Watching the Marco Princess make her daily trips is another wonderful sight to behold. Whoever buys this will be very lucky.